Honey, where are you? Honey, where have you been? I have been looking for you all day and night because I miss you so much. I really need you to text me now, honey, so I will feel happy. Honey, I love you so much, honey. Honey, where have you been? I have been looking for you all day and night, wandering like a lonely soul in the winds of silence, searching for the warmth of your voice, for the comfort of your words, for the spark in your eyes that lights up my world. You left with no goodbye, no final glance, no whisper of return. And now I sit in the corners of my heart, calling your name through the echoes of empty rooms, crying in quiet, hiding from the world. Because only you, honey, only you make this heart feel alive. Every second without you is a story unfinished, a heartbeat waiting for its rhyme, a day painted in grey without your smile to color it. I need you to text me now, honey. Even one word will bloom joy inside me. Even a simple hi will make the night brighter than stars. I miss you so much. It aches like a silent scream. I reach for you in my sleep, but my arms find only the cold air. Where once your warmth used to rest beside me. Where are you now, honey? Are you thinking of me too? Do you feel the some emptiness when I am not around? I remember the way you laughed. That light little giggle, like music only my soul could hear. I remember the way you called my name, as if it meant something sacred. I remember how your hand fit perfectly in mine, not just in touch, but in purpose. I love you so much, honey, that even your silence speaks to me. Even your absence is a presence I can't ignore. It's like a part of me walks through this world missing until you turn and complete the shop of my being again. My phone lights up and my heart races every time. Is it you? Is it finally you, honey? But it's not. It's never you. And so I wait, like the sea, wait for the tide, like the moon, wait for the sun to kiss it goodbye. I have been writing letter I will never send, saying all the things I whispered to the stars. I miss you. I need you. Come back to me. Let me hold you again. I love you more than love can ever define. Why did you go away, honey? Was it something I said? Was it a silence that grew to build? Or were the winds of life just too strong, tearing us away like pages from a book never finished? But here I am still writing our story, still believing in the next chapter, where you come back to me, where I don't have to ask, honey, where have you been? Because you will be here in my arms, in my smile, in my soul. Do you remember the promise we made under the stars? That's no matter how far we drift, our love would always find the shore. I believe in that still because I believe in you, because I believe in us. I know life gets heavy. I know the roads get long, but love, our love, is not a flower that wilts in winter. It is a flame that survives every storm, and mine still burns for you, honey, every moment, every day. So come back, come home to this heart that never stopped beating for you. Come home to the words that only make sense when you speak them. Come home to the man who stands by the door of time, holding every memory close, waiting for the knock that says, you still love me too. I'm not afraid to love you forever. I'm afraid of losing the chance to say it now. So I will say it again for every day you have been gone. I love you. I miss you. I need you. I want you to text me now, honey, so I will feel happy again. You are not just a part of my life, you are my life. You are the sunrise in my dark, the whisper in my chaos, the truth in my world of noise. Honey, where have you been? The world keeps turning, but mine stands still until I hear from you, until I feel your love rise again like a moon reborn in my night sky. Please don't let another day pass in silence. Say something, anything, and I promise I will hear it louder than any thunder. because your words are the only ones that make my heart beat again. And when you come back, oh honey, when you come back, I will never let you feel unloved again. I will fill every moment with the depth of my devotion because I love you so much, honey.